Hi, it's Lee Goldstein from the newstraders.com, the makers of JOBB software. And today's oil trade became very unsafe right before the trade. And I want to show you why. We canceled the trade. And had we taken the trade, it's my belief, because of the size of our bracket and the setup that we had on oil today, that we very well may have been stopped out on the trade. When we looked at the 1 second chart, you could see that our entry of 59 seconds, and some people would have entered on 57 seconds, 10:29:57, that those entries were clearly unsafe. Now, watch what happened about 30, 40 seconds before the report was due to come out. Things were looking reasonably normal, and then we had this 45 tick bar. A 45 tick bar really makes the trade unsafe. It's just an unnatural move. It's a warning sign that you should leave this report for the next time. Had we entered it 10:30 and 0 seconds, which may be our new method of entering the oil trade, according to the second chart, it would have been safe. Because watch what happens. The news still has not been released. It's acting like it has, but it hasn't. Now the news gets released, and there's a big explosion upwards because crude had a very large drawdown. Now, that original move might be because gasoline had a very big build, but you don't know. And you have to play your rules regularly all the time. And our rule is if you have more than a 20 tick move, a minute or less before the trade, then you must cancel that trade because that's an unnatural move. You could have a 10 tick move, a 15 tick move, but I just wanted you to be clear. And you don't even have to have a specific exact reason to cancel. If you feel that the move before the report makes that report unsafe to trade, and you can tell by seeing it, and seeing this was clearly unsafe to trade, then cancel the report and just wait till next week. There's a million trades out there. You don't have to worry about one and lose money on one because you didn't cancel it when all the signs were there that it should have been canceled. Let me show you what happened last week, if I'm able to, because I did have some problems with making the video playable from GoToWebinar. Let me check and see if it's usable. I was able to recover last week's video. Look at the move like 40 seconds before the trade. Watch what happens. Here we go. There's going to be an explosion as if somebody knows something about the news, and that's extremely worrisome. Look at that. That was a very large, unnatural move before the report came out. That was last week's. That was 2 weeks in a row that there were unnatural, unusual moves that should have told you to cancel the trades. And it's okay to cancel trades. There will always be another one the next day, the next week, the next hour, so that there's plenty of trades to go around. This is Lee Goldstein from the newstraders.com. I hope I've clarified why you might cancel a trade. If a move looks unsafe just before the trade report is going to be released, then to protect yourself, cancel the trade and wait for a better setup. Take care, and I'll see you in the trade room.